The uncertainty surrounding the Young Thug YSL Rico trial intensifies with the removal of the judge, throwing the entire proceedings into disarray. Greetings, everyone. In today's video, we will be addressing the recent development regarding Young Thug's racketeering trial. It has come to light that the judge presiding over the case has been disqualified due to concerns raised by the defendants regarding a meeting with prosecutors and a witness. As a result, this decision will inevitably lead to additional delays in the already protracted trial. Young Thug, along with several others, is facing charges pertaining to gang affiliations, drug offences and possession of firearms. The prosecution claims that his record label, YSL, operates as a violent street gang. Despite the judge's assertion of impartiality, the defence is pursuing a mistrial. Without further delay, let us proceed with our discussion. Following a request for recusal by two defendants, the judge presiding over the extensive racketeering and gang prosecution involving Young Thug and other individuals has been disqualified from the case due to a meeting held with prosecutors and a state witness. 2 weeks ago, Chief Judge Ural Glanville of the Fulton County Superior Court in Atlanta paused the case to allow for a review of the defendants' requests for recusal by another judge. On Monday, Judge Rachel Krause granted these motions and instructed the court clerk to assign the case to a different judge. Although acknowledging Glanville's decision to hold the meeting and expressing confidence in her ability to remain impartial, Krause emphasized the importance of upholding public trust in the judicial system and recommended excusing Judge Glanville from the case. The trial, which has already lasted for more than a year, will undoubtedly face further postponements due to this ruling. It commenced with the arduous process of jury selection in January 2023, lasting nearly a full 10 months. Finally, in November, the prosecution delivered their opening statements and has since been meticulously presenting their case, summoning numerous witnesses to the stand. Jeffrey Williams, known by his stage name Young Thug, a recipient of the prestigious Grammy Award, faced legal charges 2 years ago as part of an extensive indictment. This indictment implicated him, along with over 25 individuals, in a conspiracy to violate Georgia's anti-racketeering legislation. Additionally, he is being tried alongside 5 co-defendants, facing charges related to gang activities, drug offences, and illegal possession of firearms. The defense lawyers representing Young Thug and co-defendant DeMonte Kendrick took action by submitting motions requesting the recusal of Judge Glanville. Their argument stemmed from a meeting that the judge had with prosecutors and a prosecution witness named Kenneth Copeland, in which the defendants and their attorneys were not present. The defense attorneys contended that this meeting was inappropriate and alleged that the judge and prosecutors had attempted to coerce the witness into giving testimony. Glanville asserted that the meeting was conducted appropriately and contended that no one obtained any strategic benefit as a consequence. The prosecution, led by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis, contended that there was no justification for the removal of Glanville from the case. On Monday, the ruling prompted the Associated Press to contact Glanville and a lawyer representing Young Thug for their input. However, a spokesperson from Willis's office chose not to provide a comment. In an email, Doug Weinstein, the lawyer representing Kendrick, expressed his respect for Chief Judge Glanville and acknowledged his contributions to the community and the nation. However, Weinstein stated that the judge had developed a bias throughout the duration of the case. Weinstein eagerly anticipates the opportunity to present the case before an impartial judge, but firmly believes that at this stage, the only fair resolution would be a mistrial and release on bond for Kendrick, who has been incarcerated for over 2 years. In her order, Krause concurred with Glanville's evaluation of the meeting, stating that there was nothing inherently inappropriate about it. However, she did suggest that the meeting could have, and maybe should have, taken place in a public courtroom. When Glanville rejected Kendrick's request for recusal during the court proceedings, he offered an explanation, questioned the credibility of the allegations, and defended his decisions and actions by providing necessary context. In accordance with legal precedent, Kraus cited that a judge must disclose any pertinent information regarding their potential recusal in an objective, impartial, and non-confrontational manner to avoid being perceived as a biased witness or advocate. Since his teenage years, Young Thug has achieved immense success in the rap industry and now holds the position of CEO at his record label, Young Stoner Life, also known as YSL. The artists signed to his label are recognized as members of the esteemed Slime family, and their collective effort resulted in the compilation album Slime Language 2, reaching the top spot on the charts in April 2021. However, according to prosecutors, YSL is also an acronym for Young Slime Life, an Atlanta-based street gang that is connected to the nationwide Bloods gang and was established by Young Thug and two other individuals in 2012. The indictment names individuals who are accused of committing violent offences such as homicides, shootings and carjackings, with the intention of generating funds for the gang, enhancing its reputation and increasing its influence and territorial control. During his opening statement, Brian Steele, the lawyer representing Young Thug, acknowledged that his client's songs contain references to violent acts such as killings. However, Steele argued that these lyrics are merely artistic expressions inspired by Young Thug's challenging upbringing rather than a documentation of his own actions. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.